Today I'll be drawing these simple paintings. For that I'll use these 4 gouache paints. Later on I'll write their name. A 2B pencil and a rubber or eraser. First I'll take the colors on my palette. Wait, can you see the color? Let me move this plate a bit. This is better. I'm using a tip plate here. If you have palette, use that. For the first picture, I took a thick brush, dip in the water, then I took lemon yellow, and then I'm going to paint the background first. Then I'm using a bit white color for making the bottom side lighter. While this part is drying, we will hop on to the next one. I'm taking mint yellow color here for the background. The background will be circular type, the way I'm showing it. When I want to spread the color, I just dip the surface of the brush into the water. And when I want to blend the color, I just wash away the color. I'm blending the color in circular way. I want to keep the middle part near white. I took a bit lemon yellow and blended it. The bottom side would be faded dark. So instead of using black color, I used violet here. Keep tapping like this, they'll spread automatically. While this painting is drying, let's finish the first painting. I'll create a desert, so I'm using flesh tint. You can call it peach color. I'm making the horizon uneven and filling up the rest with peach color. When the sand part is dried, let's paint the tree. I'm painting a basic tree with black color and with a thin brush so that the branches could be painted easily. You can add cactus if you want. That would also be easy. I'm creating bunch of leaves by just tapping. I think this looks okay. Now I'm making darker shade of peach. This is how it looks. I am using it as shadow. I'm applying the same color on these 2 mounds, like dunes far away. Now it's look pretty. Applying very thin layer of the same color, and picture 1 is done. Before painting, check if the color is dried or not. Drawing kind of zigzag stroke here, making the bottom part thicker like a tree. Some more thin lines. Make these lines thinner towards the end. Another tree, but it will be thicker than the other tree and it will be a bit curved. Also painting some branches. As I said, I want the bottom part a bit faded dark, so I'm using dark color and spreading the color with just water so that it can blend. Drawing these branches with only black color, no water here. Now painting the bird sitting on the edge of the branch. I drew the body first and then I painted the head and then I painted the lips. I don't remember what they call. I think they are called beaks. I don't want the tail to be this long, so I am adjusting with white. And that painting is also done. Let's hop on to the next one. This background will be with yellow ochre. Spreading this color diagonally. Filling the other half with peach color and blend them together. At the end, run over the brush horizontally like this, upward. I am letting it dry and draw the cycle. Drawing a curvature like this and another curvature inward. drawing a straight line slanted, another one beside it, drawing the rod, horizontal rod like this, another rod, a straight line basically, and after that drawing a seed. Was it hard to understand? Let me know in the comment section if you find it hard. Now I'm mixing yellow ochre and mid yellow color for the background. Dipped the surface of the brush and applying the color. Spreading the color with a bit water where needed. Applying the same color all over the surface. I added a little bit red, it is not necessary. Before it gets dry, I'm applying black and letting it spread on its own. Now going to the previous one, adding second layer of peach color. I do this with brushes more often. Starting the tree with main branches. As I go upward, the stroke becomes thinner. When I'm done with the main branches, I am adding the sub branches thinner than them. And I'm drawing lots of sub branches. So if you have watched till here, I am assuming you are drawing with me, you are serious about the paintings, and you are a self-taught creator. It would be very kind of you if you tell me which one did you find easier. There is a comment section where you can write it down. This part is totally optional. I wanted to experiment if this was going to work on it or not. And for me, it didn't work. But it didn't look that bad, so I keep it here. And now time for the cycle, and trust me, this will be very beautiful. All you have to do here is fill those gaps. With black, I will recommend using black with very little water. This will make the black dense. Use the most thin brush you have while drawing the spokes, or you have to draw very carefully just with the tip of the brush. Give very little pressure to the brush and do not hurry. Now the best part of this painting, take some white color, do not add any water, and keep making very small circles. And now you know why I added black color in the background. It makes the white color popping up and gives a lit up background. I think this painting is also done. I used masking tape, but it is not masked. Masking tape gives a neat and clean look, but instead that you can add a border with pencil and scale. While pulling off the mask, some layer of the paper was coming out. I fixed it with white color later on. I was expecting that I would use glue, but I ended up using a white color. I have some more easy paintings which are uploaded in my video already, and if you want my supplies, there will be link in the description. If you want to paint some more, tap on this video.